Okay, this is Abby, and she's in her cave.
Ooh.
She's hiding out from the big bear, Aunt Diana, I think. Oh, where did she go? Where did she go? There she is. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby.
Hi.
Princess Abby. Can you tell us a story about Princess Abby?
Sure.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was Princess Abigail, and she was 4 years old. She could help kids and animals and people and
And parents?
And Dad and I am Princess Abigail.
Yay!
And I'm hiding with the big bear Abby. I mean Aunt Diana.
Okay, go hide.
Good story.